What are you doing?
Trying to climb this tree.
Why?
Well... Hello, welcome to Super Adventure Nature Explorer. As always, I'm your host, Wallum Grigsburyson. With me today on camera is Lemmy. I had to fire my previous cameraman because he poured sugar into my recently urinated canteen, leading me to believe that I had diabetes. I am currently suing him for slander and attempted murder. Today, we're in the frozen tundra. Don't let the sunshine fool you. It's very cold. I had to put on an undershirt.
It was very cold, so we had to build a fire fast, or else we'd starve to death. Luckily, I had my trusty Zippo lighter, which I've had my whole life.
Me, how do you use this damn shit?
However, I'd never used it before.
Damn it. We've been here for 5 stinking days now. I lost my canteen 2 days ago, and we haven't found any water since, but that's alright. It's freezing, so I don't need to drink as much. Hey! The Tundra is known to be very reliable. Manages 15 miles per gallon in the city. Oh! Oh, f me. Can you scratch my back, please?
We came across a frozen pond, which Lemmy dared me to walk across.
You dare me?
I fucking dare you. I dare you, Wallum.
You dare me?
I dare you.
Oh.
Looks frozen.
Oh!
We heard a strange noise, so I decided to investigate.
Bear, run! I don't know how we're gonna get out of here, man. I threw the Zippo at the bear, so we can't even make a fire now.
At least you found your canteen.
I threw that too. Mother Nature has many harsh realities. The tundra is no exception. Harsh yet beautiful is how I would describe Mother Nature. Were it not for my survival skills, we... Hello? Yeah. Okay, cool. Hey, cut that. They're here. Look at the this shit.
On the next Super Adventure Nature Explorer.
Where the fuck are we?
Wallum, what's this pipe here?
It's for the gophers, you know? Local native tribe, they're untouched by human civilization.
Are they dangerous?
Yeah, we've got a whole ocean between us though. So don't film them because
That's a river, dude.
Do you want to build a snowman?
Shut the fuck up. There's no snow. It's not even a tundra.
Come on, man.
That's not gonna happen.
Oh,
was it worth it?
no.